Hi, this is a short video on how to click and drag with your mouse pad, and also we will also see how to right click. Okay, so there's a couple ways to do each of those things. Let's see. To click things, what we can do, for example, to click the green flag in Scratch, we can tap the mouse pad in the middle like this. Alright, here we go again. There, that's a click, click, click. What we can also do is hold here on the bottom left corner of the touchpad. This is a touchpad, okay? So we can also do it like this, okay? Click, click, click. You can hold here, okay, in the corner, or you can tap here in the middle. Those are clicks, okay? With clicks, you can, for example, click the green flag in Scratch to run programs. Now, to drag blocks around, or to drag the canvas around, you know, to pan the canvas. This is panning the canvas, like when you're like this with this hand and you're like moving around. What you want to do is, there's two ways of doing this. You can do 1, 2, and hold. Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, and hold. Okay, so first you tap and then you hold. Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, there you go. Or something else that you can do, if this is too difficult for you, is with one hand, like with one finger, you can hold here again on the bottom left corner of the mouse pad, sorry, of the touchpad. You can hold here, okay? This is holding. Holding is like this. This is holding, okay? Hold. So hold here with one finger, and with your other hand you can move blocks around. This is how you move blocks in Scratch. You can do it like this, or 1, 2, and then you hold. Okay? 1, 2. And you hold. Okay, that's the tutorial for dragging, clicking, and the right click is the one that is on the opposite corner. Well, sort of, you know, it's the bottom right corner, this one. Okay, let me give you an upside down view. This is left click and this is right click. Okay. In Scratch, if I used right click on a block, I have some options here. If I click outside of them, they go away, right? And we can drag this, we can click here on the green flag, lots of things you can do, okay? So, again, this is clicking, or like this is right clicking. And for dragging, you can drag like this, 1, 2, or with 2 hands or 2 fingers, right? Like this. Alright, that's it. Bye.